Here is another small home building project, and this time I actually found a set of plans, and you can go download those plans. I will put a link to that in the video description box. And they have different building plans for small houses like these also you might want to check out. And these look like they're pre-approved plans. However, it looks like there will be no liability from the city or the county or even myself, because I'm just providing you with an example, and they are providing you with a set of plans that might actually need more details, more information, and approval from other building authorities. So again, I will not be providing you with any plans, and if for some reason you cannot download those plans in the future, then you can simply look at this as another educational video about home building. So let's go ahead and get started with our small house. We have a bathroom here, closet, small bedroom, living room, dining room, kitchen, washer and dryer. And we have 2x6 walls all the way around the perimeter, along with a 2x6 plumbing wall. And my guess is you can have all of this 2x4, including this wall here, if you're building a project that did not require thicker insulation on the exterior walls. And in this video, I'm just going to run through it. I will be breaking it up into sections. For example, more information about the foundation, the framing, and the roof trusses. And even answer some of your questions if you have them. Feel free to leave them in the comment area, especially if you're having a difficult time with something you see on the plans that you might need a little more information on. And here we have a piece of angle iron that we are going to use to stabilize this wall here. And in some of my videos, I pointed this out before, and this was not in the set of plans. I do not remember it being in the plans. And you might need to adjust the rebar along with install a concrete footing. And we are going to have sand over a vapor barrier along with our anchor bolts. And the size of the anchor bolts are going to be on the building plans. And I will also try to install the plumbing here if there's an interest. Next up, let's go ahead and throw the trusses on there. 2 foot on center, 4 and 12 pitch. And of course, this does have a detail. You can take a look at it. And it looks like some type of a fire-rated detail, something to slow the fire down. Fascia board, of course our outlookers blocking all of our backing for our drywall. And of course we have an access hole for the forced air unit if you're going to use one in the attic. If not, don't forget you are going to need access to an attic in a situation like this. And like I said, this is just the first part of the video. Make sure that you get your plans if they are still available, because even though I'm allowed to download the plans, I'm not 100% sure I'm allowed to give them to other people.